I've been watching birds of prey monitoring my fish pond in the backyard. I've also seen small kingfishers hanging about the same pond. My worry is when people burn rubbish, the debris also of the ashes end up in the pond. All these factors keep me worried, so I've decided to cover or net this pond with the easiest, cheap, on the budget method. We are going to use simple mosquito nets to make a DIY fish covering or pond covering or netting. If you're new on this platform, be sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss any of the good content we share for networking, sharing our experiences, returning to the continent with less pressure, which helps us create multiple sources of income, starting a homestead from scratch, and also sharing our journey to build our new home / Jackie's Homestead. Don't miss out all this. You click on the red button and the notification bell so that you're notified each time we release a video on YouTube. Welcome to all new subscribers. Hey, it's been a while. I miss everybody. Please don't forget to subscribe. Good morning, Jovin family. It's Jacqueline. This morning I'm on a project to net the fish ponds. There are two fish ponds, one large and another medium. We are using tools as these were electric poles or plastic poles used to line up wiring within a building, a construction site, but I'm multi-purposing them for this as my stands for the nets. Okay, the other thing I'm going to use is simple handmade tool. This is a hand saw. Okay, it's a hand saw, easy to use. I could use it alone as well, but keep safe because the blade is quite sharp. And then finally I'm using mosquito nets. I would love black or any darker color, but well, this is what was on the market and I got this. I'll be netting these ponds to prevent birds of prey from getting to the fish, also to catch any rubbles. At times people burn rubbish and the rubble or the dust ends up this side, so that'll catch it. Let's get to work. On the first day I tried fitting the tiny poles I'd cut from leftover pipes, the white pipes, fitted them around the whole pond and tried fitting the blue net over the pond, but it was so small and it looked funny. Anyway, what I had to do was to cut it into a rectangle, then bind it to another net, another black net that I bought before that was too small for the pond. So putting the two together, join them with tiny pieces of net, white net, really worked. So after all this, I had to wait for the following day and cut the whole blue net, bind it together with the black net, and that worked perfectly. I remember waking up early, sat in the corridor and started weaving this net until I got that perfect one.